The Roll-Lock or Type R pad system is great, but has always been limited to die grinders. However, there are times when an angle grinder is more convenient or when an air supply is not readily available. Tifco Industries is pleased to introduce this American-made quick change adapter kit. This kit allows for the use of 3-inch Type R abrasives on an angle grinder. Simply thread the quick change adapter onto the angle grinder's 5/8 11 spindle, then secure the backing pad. And that's it, you're ready to grind. Thanks to this quick change adapter, Tifco's entire family of 3-inch Type R abrasives can be used on any 4.5 or 5-inch angle grinder. Quick change adapters are especially valuable for operations requiring aggressive grinding or stock removal because an angle grinder's 10 to 12,000 RPM operating speed, amperage rating, and ergonomics are ideal for demanding applications. Tifco's quick change adapters are manufactured to tight tolerances and will deliver uniform, balanced, vibration-free grinding that will optimize the abrasives disc's performance. Tifco's 3-inch quick change adapter kit is part number 8923. It comes with a 3-inch backing pad, a standard 1/4-20 mandrel for use with die grinders, and the 5/8 11 adapter to allow use with angle grinders.